Welcome back for this one of the more difficult concepts in high school physics that students struggle with. In fact, one of the biggest issues on the front of waves and energy is that there lacks some tangible viewpoint that students can have. This applet is surely to help that. What we have here is a laser pointer, and when you hit this button, it fires a laser. No, not one that will destroy a moon or anything, but just a standard beam of light. We can also see here that it goes down to here, and then it kind of turns, and it also goes up. Here it's being reflected. Here it's being refracted. This light blue over here is a different medium as opposed to this one. Material, air. This is air. At this point, this material is water. You can change it if you want. If you want them both to be water, you can do that. And notice it does not reflect at all or refract. If we change it to glass, notice that changes a little bit. Mystery A, Mystery B, two tasks I will ask you to discover. And then you can randomly choose an index of refraction if you so choose. We could also adjust the angle with which this laser is being fired, but no matter where it sits, it's going to be striking the barrier between the two media right here. And this dashed line right here is called the normal. Now, there are two things that are in our toolbox here that could come in handy. One, a protractor. We can grab this, bring it over here. We use it just like any other protractor. And we can set it right where we want, and we can kind of see that it's being reflected at 30 degrees. We can put it back. We also can test the light intensity. We put this little microscope thing here on the beam of light, 100%. Sure, all the light's there. You can put it down here. You can put it here. Notice you get no reading over here because there's no light there. You could also, this is just a ray view. You can do a wave view. It doesn't change the results at all, though this one kind of looks kind of cool. And gives you a little bit different perspective as to what you're seeing. As with several others, you can adjust the simulation speed, speed it up, slow it down. You can stop it. You can move it step by step. Rather standard things that we've worked with in the past. Two other tabs that we will look into. One, prism break. Prism break. In this one, you can actually change the color of your light from a red laser down to a purple laser, or a white light. You could also bring up prism, and when you hit go, it gets bent. And you can adjust this a little bit to investigate how light gets reflected and refracted as it's passing through an object. This little thing right here you can spin. You can also put more than one of these in a row. And you can change what they're made of. In this case, all three of these are glass. You could make one made of water, or all three of them made of water. Again, you could also show reflections, show normal, and show protractor if you so choose, as a couple different views you can look at. Finally, more tools. We got a similar picture we had from the beginning. In fact, this is almost identical to the beginning, other than a few options. One, we're back to change. We can change the color. And two, we have speed we can select. Speed we can identify as we put in front of there. One, c. Remember, this is a velocity. C is the speed of light. We could also use the time. Put one here, and actually one here and one here. And once you get those reading, you can actually see how time passes, what's occurring. That should give you all the tools necessary for this round. download the PDF, answer the questions, and good luck.